the Shivalinga created by Bhagavan Sri Rama. That is why it's Rameshwar. When Parvati Devi asked Bhagavan Shiva, what are you always doing dhyana? So he says, Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. He says, oh dear Parvati Devi, whoever cannot read Ramayana, whoever cannot memorize all the shlokas or anything, all they have to say is Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. If you just say this, it is equivalent to 1,000 times you said Ram. So, they are fond of what is the who is Hanuman? Who is Hanuman? Hanuman is an avatar of Bhagavan Shiva. Why is he always fond of Bhagavan Sri Ram? Yeah, he is always with him. In Krishna avatar also, Bhagavan Sri Krishna asked Hanuman, come and fight with me in the battle. He says, if I fight, you don't have anything to fight. You will not have anything to fight if I fight. So I will stay on your Ratha, chariot. In the form of flag, he stays. So Shiva, Bhagavan Mahadev is always with Bhagavan Vishnu. Bhagavan Vishnu is always, when Bhagavan Shiva gives a boon to one of the demon. And whoever I keep my hand on, he will become ash. That demon asks a boon with Bhagavan Shiva. Shiva says, okay, granted, because he's Bhola Shankar. He's Bhola. Always he's impressed by his devotees. Right? When then that demon says, okay, let me test that on you itself. So he comes to put his hand on Bhagavan Shiva. He's like, dude, I just gave you the boon, man. You are putting it on me. I'll become ash. So he keeps running. Then Vishnu comes to his rescue. He will come as Mohini avatar. A lady avatar, a beautiful lady avatar. He comes and he will dance. So this demon looks at the beauty of the lady. He will also start dancing. Then in the dance, the lady keeps her hand on herself. So in the dance, while just following her, he also keeps on his head. He becomes ash. So who comes to rescue? So they both are fond of each other all the time. If you see, everywhere in Ramayana, in Mahabharata, wherever something is happening, somebody will come and rescue. That is avatar of Shiva and Vishnu. That is why it is this very important sloka. Shivaya Vishnu Rupaya Shiva Rupaya Vishnave Sivascha Hridayam Vishnu Vishnoscha Hridayam Shivaha Yatas Shivamayo Vishnu Evam Vishnumaya Shiva. They both are always connected. They both are not different. People always fight. I am Vaishnavite, I am Shaivite. Both are the same. When they are not having a fight, why are we fighting? I don't understand. This is the problem. Anyway, now you know the meaning. Right, Nana? You should never forget that. These are all your basics. Somebody comes and puts a fight between you. Oh, no. Shiva is better. Why are you Vaishnavites? Right? There are a lot of people amongst us. You should know the importance. Then nobody can shake you. When you are very good at basics, nobody can move away or convert you. This is important.